You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word once and for all correctly. More confusing vocabulary in English coming up for you at the end of this video, so stay tuned. Fourth, the TH is pronounced with your tongue between your teeth. You have the British English pronunciation, UK. Fourth, in American English, how it's pronounced in the US. Fourth, similar pronunciations, but the R is pronounced a little bit different. Fourth or fourth. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.